What's up, chat? Back again, day 32, 2 streams today. 4 hours in the books, made a video, and here we are with the next stream. Enjoy the music, chat. Let's get into the vibes. What's up, PR? Welcome back. Part 2. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go, chat. The real ones are here. Let's wait for the regular streamers to pop in. This is my usual streaming time. You know the vibes. Let's listen to some music while everybody loads in. You know what we're working on, chat. I'll just pop it up on the screen. There you go. Dollar Vibe Club, baby. Let's push it to the moon. Actually. Alright, let's see who's waking up. I wanted to do some things, so what was he doing? Yeah, the time zones. Let me just sort the time zones, then I can add the co-work already. Let me get that organized, chat. Alright, let me check the dashboards. That's good, my Fiverr's good. Calendar's good. I'm gonna try to get Hunter's call on it first. Give me a minute, chat. Let me publish this. We're going full power mode tonight, chat. We're not playing tonight. Full power mode. I'm a grower and a shower. Let's run it, chat. Step by step we're getting there. In a few moments I'll do some promotion. Let's get that 10k, chat. Then we can invest it directly back into the Dollar Vibe Club. Alright, we're still swerving around that 47. Let's see if we can get it to 50 later today. Hope you guys enjoying the music. I'll pump it up a bit for you. Drop a comment in the chat so I know you're here. We're just finalizing some updates on the Dollar Vibe Club. I might as well get the X going. Alright, we officially, chat, I shared it on Twitter. This is the ARR. I'm making it fully transparent, showing everybody what we're making, so we all see it's possible. Let me switch the next track. That was Bessie Bong, chat. Now the next one is Right One. Because you know, I like to smoke weed and hang out with the gang all night. Yeah, I'm happy with how the globe came. I'm not 100% happy, there's still some updates, but right now, for day one, it's pretty cool. I see where you at, PR. You all the way here. I see you. Neither did I, honestly. But Replit, man. Let me spark up, chat. What are you smoking on? Come on, chat. I'm not playing. We got them here on pre-roll, chat. They told me it wouldn't be possible to get pre-rolls on deck. Fuck out of here. I got a loyal roller. What's up, EXO? Welcome back. I remember you from before. Just listening to some music right now, vibing out. $dollarvibeclub.com, chat. I'll post it and pin it. There you go. Tap in, chat, tap in. Thanks, EXO, I've seen that. And I'm gonna make it worth your while over the next coming weeks. My goal is to add as much value as I can. Let me turn the music a bit down. Right now I'm just working on the calendar, so let me actually log in. Alright, let me go streamer mode. And then let me go to the community co-work and add a first session. And this is high in 5 hands-on co-work. So this is the first session we're gonna do next week. This will be a session with Hunter, the creator of High in 5. We will go over how we got started as a non-tech person with Replit and share it with the community, and then we'll discuss some commercial opportunities that we could potentially do or that Hunter could do in his application. It's gonna be on Tuesday and it's gonna be at 12 AM. And it's gonna be until... This has to be easier for me, chat, for sure. The time zone's not good here. I guess it didn't publish that yet, so let me just reboot that before I add this course. I can add it in for now. Discord, max 20 members. Be sure to join our Discord, that's where it will go down. Let's see. Okay, so let me click this. It's not recurring, it's a one-time event. And then basically let me wait until this is updated, chat, and then we'll see if it came on the front end. It should come here, but I have to figure out that you guys see it all in your time, you know what I mean? No, not the 14th, this is on the 21st. Alright, so I need to set the date here as well. Yeah, so give me a second. We're on power mode, chat, so it's all good. Please make sure that I can also set the date on a calendar and choose the times easier from a drop down. Yeah, set that up. And for meet/join link, allow me to have a switch. When I switch it to Discord, then a notification will show to the users that they have to join the Discord. Alright, let's run it, chat. I like to smoke weed and hang out with the gang all night. And then next week we've got our first one, so I'll do this on the next week. Give me a second. It's already, you know the vibes, chat. I wanna chill, I'm a right one. Alright, come on, let me add the date in. You're on power mode, Agent 4, so you should be super fast. No excuses type shit. And I should see it on the front end as well, I guess. Very cool. Alright. Alright. So everybody can check their time for sure. This we're gonna change. Alright. I'll show you the guys the complete dashboard soon and everything that's working in it. I just gotta make sure I don't leak anything on the first day, you know what I mean, chat? Come on, get it done, Agent 4. Burn, baby, burn. I wanna smoke weed with the gang all night. Let's go to the next track, chat. This is the sesh. Get ready for streaming, chat. We're not going offline for a while.
You can hold that on point, but naked doing. You know I rolled that. Hold that, take it right now.
Come on, boy.
So chat that they can choose, now you can't go back. It's time to get high as a motherfucker. Put that one you had down, go ahead, light up another. Roll some good up with wolf top. Keep sending subs, I keep doing push-ups. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. We got the whole room crowded up. One puff, another puff, another puff. Gonna count it, chat, that's another puff.
What's up, Mia? You've missed it because I'm ahead in time of you. We already had launch 4 hours ago. We did the first stream. Then we launched the promotional video. And now we're fine-tuning it and it's officially launch day. I haven't got any invite codes set up, so if you're down to sign up and pay $1, I'll make it worth your while in the long run, and otherwise you gotta wait a few days and I'll get invite codes for any OGs that want it. But it does help me and it does support the platform, so I can show to Replit also that we got users and shit. We got a little world built here, so if you go to dollarvibeclub.com and you click on this, you'll see all the active users, chat. No more clock from Mac. We see everything live here, man. That means so much, Mia. Thank you so much. That means a lot. I've got eight courses, and the courses, let me turn down the music, chat. I've got 8 courses here, and the courses are basically set up based on what I'm streaming every day. So I have now Claude Code Opus 4.7, chat. I built a module where I can import courses based on my streams with JSON files, and it will set itself up. We've got, for example, how AI works, how Replit works, Fiverr for noobs, web design for noobs. Just an example for Fiverr or web design, it will show you my exact approach, the last 20 years, what's made me successful. More courses coming soon. The challenges are in it, but not activated yet. They will be activated soon. And the community is going to be a fun one. That's going to be live co-work sessions that we do private on Discord, and we get hands-on into people's projects. So the first call we got is going to be Hunter from High Five, and that's going to be next week, Tuesday. Well, coming Tuesday. I'm just updating this here. But that means a lot. Let me see. You'll pop up as Sweden, I'm sure of it. Let me see if we can see Sweden. We got Colin from the United Kingdom. We got Sweden. We got Norway. Norway. That's what Mia's from. Norway. I totally messed that up. Norway. This is incredible, chat. We're tracking everything live. We can see the members, who's live, who's active. We're gonna get this to 1 million users, chat. I promise you. Next 9 months, I'm not doing anything else. All right, Colin. Welcome to the gang. That makes sense. XO, I'll call you Colin. That's a better one. Okay, so this is updating the dashboard. Then I can add the actual events that we got planned. And then you guys should be able to see and hop in when it is. Colin, are you a vibe coder? I believe you told me before. You told me you were a vibe coder, I think, or experienced in tech. I gotta get to know the... Can't log into my account. Oh, easy. There might be some cleanups done with accounts from before and after. I had some issues with that. I'll have to test with Web Pioneers as well. And if not, try to sign up if you can. And if not, I'll wait to sign up and I'll get you an invite code easy. But just bear with me. Okay, let me republish this and then I can publish an actual event. So let me log in. Okay, so I'll go to community and then I'll wait till it's published. And once it's published, update the database. Come on, run it. All right, well then you're in the right place. We're learning and trying together. We're testing all new platforms every single day. It's changing, so whoever tells you that they know everything, it doesn't matter, because last week they know Opus 4.6 and now 4.7 is released. So we're learning every single day. Alright, Colin, I would definitely like to tap into it with you and steer you in the right way. I don't know if you've got a Fiverr perhaps, or if you're doing local sales. But for platform sales right now, I would focus on real estate businesses and hotels. These were the companies that had to go to third parties in the past. But now with vibe coding, everybody can create their own custom SaaS and booking and real estate experience. I've had great success with real estate clients. I know most of you know who I am, but I'll just show my profile one more time on stream. That just gives insight to the newcomers, and I think it's something I should do always on stream. So basically, I've had my own agency for the last 20 years, and I've been on Fiverr for the last 3. And since this year, January 2026, I've been selling vibe coding projects. I've delivered 32 projects from A to Z. And I've got one more order in the queue. When we started streaming 32 days ago, we had 11 orders in the queue. So it's been an incredible busy 30 days, I'll tell you that. And then we've been streaming on the side. But it's been super fun. I haven't taken on any new projects right now. I've been pushing them to my partners and other Fiverr people that got accounts. Because I just want to get locked in and focus on the stream soon. And the coming 30 days, I want to push Dollar Vibe Club to the highest level that I can. I know exactly what to do. I've got a bunch of ideas. I just got to get time to build it out. You know the vibes. Let me check Pioneers. Yeah, can't log in. No issue though. Alright, Pioneers and Easy. I'm going to have to check for you guys. And I'm going to get the invite set up because I know that you guys already did payments and shit. So I'll figure that out. Looking to build platforms for client base. Oh, that's it. We should do it. Amir, would you recommend Claude Code Pro model for daily coding but not very heavy usage? Amir, it depends what you're trying to get, what the results are in having a Claude subscription. If you're trying to make client projects, I would say go 20x. And if you're just starting out, I would say go 5x. But definitely get Claude Code for sure. Since today, 4.7, there's no debate in it. Get on it, tap on it, get in it. We're going to make a 4.7 course very soon. Alright, this is published. Let me just check the website chat. I want to see if I can add this to the 21st. Community co-work. I'll edit it. I want to edit this on the 21st. Tuesday, 12 AM. And I want it on Asian Bangkok time. And Discord. 20 members and save changes. So it didn't change. No problem. In production, I edited an existing event for the co-work and I set the right date, but it did not change to the 21st. It stays on the 14th. Can you make sure that the date that we set on creating or editing is the date that it should show on the calendar? It's codex better than? No, I would definitely, me personally right now, I'm not saying OpenAI is not good because I have to go in and test it. But right now I've been running my whole operation. And chat, look what I built. This is literally crazy. So basically, I have Obsidian. And every day, my Claude code will pull in transcripts from my stream. Every single word I say, everything I talk about with you guys in the chat. And then it will create courses from it. And these courses get turned into a JSON file that I can upload with one button to $Vibe Club. And that way we're going to constantly be updating the courses every single day, live. It's no point in me making a course for Claude Code 4.6 because 4.6 isn't relevant anymore. You know what I mean? And Obsidian is the best way to represent your brain. Well, at least mine. So I would advise everybody to get in Obsidian. If you don't have a workflow already for memory, let's say. Sorry, chat. Sometime I got some of that ganja spit and I gotta go spitting, you know the vibes. Other than that, I'm very healthy, chat, I promise. Alright, let him run that and then we'll try to update that. Codex is better for bug fixing and issue finder and good for reasoning and thinking and also prompting to Amir and Mr. before. Easy and Pioneers, can you do me a huge favor? Can you both send me a private DM with your emails so I know exactly which users you are in the system? Thanks. Come on, fix it so we can continue. Let's check the map, chat. Let's see who's popping off. Ooh, we've got some members online. Colin is online. Mia is online. Welcome. Mia is on the map. Norway. Let's get it. I hope Mia gets his or her onboarding done. Well, I'm be calling you her, but I don't actually know because I thought Mia is a girl's name, but it could be Heavy Mia. Could be a bro. So either way, bro or sister, welcome. Sweden's on the map. You're the first. Amazing. Welcome. Mia, I'm going to make it worth your while. Thank you for supporting. It means a lot. You're definitely a founding member. And trust. I appreciate it. I got the OGs. Alright chat, one more order in the queue. Great on schedule. That means we get to do way more project building in the future. Platform building, SaaS building. I'm even down to help some of you guys build your platforms or assist you if you need. Alright, checkpoints made. Let me publish this. Another puff, another puff. I love it, chat. I love looking at the world like this so you see who's popping off. You see all the vibe coders are waking up in Europe. Any item that's blinking, you can see these are random visitors live on the site so you see where the most activity is. I think USA also popping in here and there. Yeah, man. 7 visitors from the USA, random. I hope they all sign up. Let's get this platform to 1 million users, chat. And in 1 or 2 years, once the Web3 is ready, I want to put this platform on the blockchain and give it to the community. That's my dream. You can access the map just by coming here and clicking here. Then you can see who's online in the community. And for the stream, it's fun to leave it open so I see who's popping off and what regions are awake. And then when it's popping off much, I'll come in and I'll stream for sure. Come on, republish this. I'm so excited for what we built, chat. I literally am. I won't be able to sleep with the launch of 4.7 and the release of $Vibe Club. I want to work on the courses. I built these courses in 4.6. Imagine what 4.7 is going to do. For doing workflow platform, do you have a set fact find structure? I'm not sure what you mean, but it could be this one. Potentially it could be the web design. This is my flow kinda. Concept front end dashboards, or look at the Replit one. Generate, iterate, backend, integrate and deploy. That's kind of my workflow for the last 25 years. I will be working this out and I will be accepting feedback from the community. What's missing, what things. Alright, this is published almost. Let's just look at the map while it's published and then chat. Mia is online. I can't wait to check all the onboarding profiles. That's going to be amazing. Have you noticed any? Not yet, Mia. I haven't worked in it. It literally came out before when I was launching Dollar Vibe Club. And that being said, let me go to Discord and just post in the water cooler gang again. I'm not sure. Ah, that was Victor from Yardmania that was in the stream before. That's amazing. That's amazing. Let's link up with Victor soon. He had an application, Yardmania. Very cool idea. Very cool idea. Let me just say. Victor, I just realized who you are. Congratulations, Yardmania. Let's definitely link up. I would definitely like to also discuss your platform on the stream. Very cool concept. And your experience is something to learn from, I think. You've been in the event sector for a while. Let's link for sure. Alright. Let me get the world on it again. Let me go to the rep. Okay, he's published. Let me reboot and see. Okay, now I can go to the dashboard, go to the co-work, and then go to the 21st. Boom, it's in it, chat. So next week when you go to the community now. Ah, but here it's still showing the old. Ah, no. Ah, yeah, here it's still showing the old one. So let me fix that. It worked and it shows correctly on the back end, but now on the front end it's still showing on the 14th and not the updated date. Can you just check everywhere that these dates are being showed, that they update, and the fixed date is the date we enter while creating or editing it. Should I sign up with a new account? If you I don't know if you already paid $1, Easy. I don't want you to pay another $1. But if you didn't pay $1 yet, I would advise you to try it. But you don't have to. Give me a few and I will figure it out for you and Web Pioneers for sure. But if you're down to invest $1, I'll make it worth your while in the long run. I promise you that. Time to get high as a motherfucker. Come on, chat. Whoever's got Twitter, feel free to go to my Twitter and like the post, because Replit will be judging us on the engagement. So the more engagement, the better. I'm sharing everything here. I also went to this post, so if you guys can go to this post and like it, that would mean a lot also. This is basically Raymar's post and I comment it here. So if you post that here, that's his post. More engagement, the better. You know the vibes. Alright, that's done. Let me republish and see if he's actually fixed it. Let's go back to the map and see what's popping. We got 3 members logged in right now. Easy. Oh, Easy made an account. That's easy. Thank you very much. How are you marketing? Only YouTube? Right now YouTube is my main outlet. I'm obviously working behind the scenes. I'm doing Facebook marketing. I'm going active in groups and communities. I'm chatting. I'm trying to add value to these communities so that they... Yeah, I believe in organic marketing. Nerd Explains. I would love to check your YouTube if you have a YouTube channel. And I know you are new because I haven't seen your name here. That's a very cool name. I love the branding. I hope you tap in, sub up, and I would love to link if you're into vibe coding or doing anything. In this course, I will soon... I've set one course here, how to build in public, for people who want to see how I did my approach in 30 days. We went from 0 to 3,000 subscribers in 30 days. So definitely open to share my marketing. And if you really want an in-depth marketing course, I will be glad to make that. I can talk about marketing for days, for hours actually. So I would love to do an entire stream on marketing only. And I believe in organic results. I believe in digital storytelling. I do not believe in the classical, oh, I'll put you on Google. That's good. I have to be on Google, but I want organic. I want to create a brand. That's all I care about moving forward. And in the time of AI, branding is going to be the most important thing to do. We've got some fun, how to AI for noobs, how to web design for noobs, how to Claude code for noobs. These are going to be updated every day. Bear with me, we are in beta. I should actually add that somewhere clearly. Matter of fact, I'll do that. That Focus had that idea before, so I'll do it right now. When I'm logged in as a user, a paid user, this banner on notifications for challenges and courses should be changed to, please remember we are in beta, our site is being updated daily, and we've got 100 more modules coming very soon. Alright, so let's just run that in pro mode, chat. I'm on power today. I'm not getting off power today. I'm running power. I'm going to run a full code optimization after, no problem. You guys see exactly what I'm doing here. We did a full security scan in Replit. We'll do one more. And the chat, the OG people in the chat sent me some serious vulnerabilities that I was able to fix. So I'm very thankful for you guys. And I might even set up a bounty program soon. But we'll keep that aside. We'll keep that aside. I've got them ideas ready. I can't launch everything at once. I gotta, you know the vibes. We gotta build a show out of it. And our show's gonna be built around Dollar Vibe Club the next 3 months. So rest assured that now. Ooh, we've got another match, chat. Let me check that match. Give me a minute. I'll show you guys the match. Oh, chat, we've got a new request. An AI-driven email automation plan. Hi, my name is Tommy, 20 years of experience. In the last 2 years, I've been doing nothing else but AI. I will review your request in detail and I will follow up shortly with a price offer plan and potentially a demo. Thanks, Tommy. This is how I get my orders in all day, every day, chat. You see it live on stream. I instantly follow up with the clients and then I get back to business and we'll send him a demo after. Ooh, we've got a bunch of... Let's fix these. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, get some notifications. Oh, Mia. Mia, a real one. Colin, a real one. Your effort is not going unnoticed. I promise you that. Thank you very much. Means a lot. Means a lot. Let's run it, chat. It's incredible. ARR to $1 million. ARR to $1 million, chat. Alright, well, he's running the bugs. Fix with agent. What's the world doing? Easy's online. Mia's online, representing India, representing Norway. And then a couple of visitors. Anonymous, not logged in yet. From Europe. Ooh, might be another one from Greece. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Nice chat, nice chat. Come on, fix my bugs, boy. Come on. And that's why when people ask me why Replit, exactly for this tab, for security scanner. That's why Replit, chat. Makes my life a ton easier. You know the vibes. Agent 4, killing them all right now. And let's see what they're going to do with Opus. I'm sure they've got some Opus running in the background. I'm super excited for Replit, man. It's fucking insane what the next 9 months are going to bring. Alright, man, let's roll another one. Let's put another song on. They're never going to change this, chat. Come on. I'll pump this one up for you so you know.
I'm good, the bone rib too. What? I like them athletic brown hair. Down to smoke something. And gon' be with me when the smoke clear. Light it up, no fears. Legendary. Status of a goat here. What am I supposed to wear? Jewelry in both my ears. Chrome every layer. Smoke veggies while you niggas smoke Reggie. Always ready.
Let me put you guys in mission control for those who haven't seen mission control yet. Let's run it.
My kids here with me. I live simply. Gym every day, some bones getting clean. Just seen Ty low riding on the stream. Me and Spitter talk. New album on the way. I'm feeling ashtrays.
Well, that's because I'm hype, Mo. All these ideas, I just keep talking to myself. That's one of the main reasons I'm streaming, so I can just talk to you guys. I'll show you guys what I got. Chat, we're taking care of ourselves today. Let me turn down the music. We're taking care of ourselves today, Mo. You know I'm not playing out here. I got them macarons, man, fully loaded. You know the vibes. That's the reward. That's the reward, chat. At the end of the stream, we get that at the end of our workday. Oh, you need that special kind of candy, Easy. No grind, no cake, chat, but today we did extra grind. 2 streams for sure, at least 4 hours, and maybe this one 2-3 hours. And we launched the platform, and we got users on the platform, and we're gonna be building out the platform. Come on, fix that shit, man. The community should be working now. Great. And now I can add events. So let's add an event for tomorrow. Or let's add an event for Sunday. And I'll add it my time. Let's do 12 a.m. and let's do it an hour. Fiverr profile reviews hands on. During this co-work session you will be able to share your profile and we'll get hands-on to work. We'll help you create thumbnails, help you create descriptions, help you set up your pricing, help you do the right keywords with our tools. Be sure to join the Discord. Only paid members will be allowed into the co-work room. Alright chat, is it on the board for Sunday? Fuck out of here, man. Now I should see if I do Belgium, Berlin or Paris. Boom, the time changes. Incredible chat. Fucking AI, man. Replit Agent 4. Incredible. And then I'll go to my time, Bangkok. Boom. India, what time is it for India? Let's see. What's the time zone for India? Kolkata. 10:30 p.m. for you. And you can check it yourself if you go to the website, easy. Let's add one on Saturday as well. fix this bug. Let's add one for Saturday. Saturday, what can we do Saturday? Replit introduction. Join our core work and tell us about your ideas. Is it for business? Is it for hobby? And we'll help you get started and point you in the right direction on Replit. We'll do that on Saturday. We'll do that at 12 AM as well. For an hour. Asia Bangkok Discord. Be sure to join the Discord and to have a Replit account if you want to get active on Replit. A free account is enough to get started. Alright, we got the Replit introduction done. I use Whisperflow, Colin. I use Whisperflow. Let me Replit Agent for introduction with Tommy. Let's see how that looks. Boom. Sexy. Let's get it, chat. Let's see, for next week we have Hunter from High Five on it. Business talks co-work session. We'll do that, save that, so he's on it, and then I'll plan out the schedule for the rest of the week, chat, so you guys will be able to see. And these are the moments where you guys will be able to come in with your projects, get your moment and get hands-on. Basically what I do for my customers, and my customers pay me up to $95 an hour. So for you it's $1 an hour, $1 a month, even better. Alright, all the fixes done. Why aren't you fixing these two actually? Alright, I'll get to publishing. Let's check the home page. We got Easy checking in. Easy, be sure to onboard, upload a profile picture so we get some vibes in it. You got me logged in, but it doesn't show me as admin on it. All courses are still on it, yeah. Challenges, we'll work on that in a few moments. Yeah. Amazing. Now I just got to focus on the challenges. Okay. Now you're gonna see Claude Code in action, chat. Now you're gonna see it in action. So basically, I built a challenge import module where I can copy the entire JSON format and I can train my agent. So we're gonna do that right now. He's been busy with some football this week. He's had some competitions and schoolwork, but he'll tap in when he taps in. Everything's been streamed and rebroadcast, so I know he's good for it. He's also working on some side missions for us, chat. He's doing the covers of the courses and the covers of the books very soon. Okay, let me get straight into it. Close this. I need you to look at this JSON structure, understand it, and then next up I will need you to create a full challenge with all the right JSON fields so that the challenge can get imported instantly on my website. Thank you. The JSON markup. I always think of JSON when I write JSON, you know what I mean? The first challenge I want to get done is the official Fiverr profile challenge. In that challenge, I kind of want to motivate people to create their Fiverr account, set up their Fiverr account to the best of their ability, and then at the end of the week or at the end of the month, we'll do that a 30-day challenge. They will win, the best profile will win, and people will be able to vote on those profiles, and there will also be judges voting, obviously. Let me check something, chat. Try GSD for Claude Code. What is GSD? Easy. I have no idea what you mean with what is GSD. Let me turn the music a bit down, chat. Get shit done. Alright. I'll try that soon. Give me a moment. So this is the challenge I had for Fiverr. And it was basically this. Be sure to check the screenshots. That's of a sample challenge detail. So interview me and ask me questions if you need content to get all the content filled. But the front end should represent a full detail page, but then custom content based on the challenge. Again, I want this challenge to be focused on setting up a Fiverr profile and a complete 3 gigs. This challenge is only allowed for people with new Fiverr profile accounts to join. People with existing accounts can't join. Ask me other things based on anything you need to know. Let's go. At the end, I need a final JSON file that I can just import and check from there. Sorry, chat. I had another spitty spit. Man, I gotta start drinking tea, man. I've said it on stream. I'm gonna go buy myself a big bag of mint and start cooking up some mint tea. I'll interview you a few rounds. Alright, interview me. Interview me, man. What's the price for the winner of the Fiverr profile challenge? Let's do $50 and one-on-one coaching. How long should the challenge run? Let's give people... Let's run it at 14 days. There's no point in doing... 14 days is good. Community vote plus judges. Should there be a participant limit? Let's cap it at no limit for Fiverr. Everybody can create a Fiverr profile. Let me actually see if I have a Fiverr referral link. That would be very interesting. Oh, I got 2 new chats in Fiverr, sorry. Hi, you speak English also? And then Alessandro. Contact seller directly. Hello, I need to build a WordPress stream for an autobiography. The site will have 10 pages. Hi Alessandro, let me review your request and I'll follow up shortly. Alright, that's just keeping the client standby. 9 Deutsch. No, I don't feel it's good to communicate, and communication is really the basis of a good project. So I wish you good luck and hope you understand. Thank you. Alright, what tags should appear in the challenge? Beginner friendly. All of the above is good. Fiverr colors theme accent for this challenge. Green, DVC gold, purple. Which gig niches should people suggest you target? No niche at all. People are allowed to start gigs for anything that they are passionate or skilled in, and you should add in that it's suggested to start high ticket gigs like WordPress, Shopify, vibe coding, because that's what the most people are searching for on Fiverr. What emoji? No emojis. I don't want no emojis. It's making it too childish. So follow up everything with clean, nice icons or designs or titles. No emojis. And then I'm gonna see if I have Fiverr here. Give me a second. Alright, so I want to see if Fiverr actually has a referral link or not. Refer a friend. Alright. Invite a friend, and I'll just copy this. And then I'll say, I want you to highlight that this is my referral link and that it's very nice if they join Fiverr using that link. This is my link. Make sure it's clear on the challenge so people know. Oh. How will you verify entrance on new user? Account URL, creation date, screenshot. I just need the account URL. I can see that once I have the account URL, the profile URL of Fiverr. How should the judging way split? 25 profile, 25 branding, 25 AI. Yeah, let's do it all 25. What should entrance submit at the end? Live Fiverr profile. Should you include bonus points for? Yep, include bonus points for all of the above. And then my referral link. Alright, so that's my referral link. So normally he should all add it in. You can write me an extra prompt for Replit once I seed this JSON so that it will pick up that extra Fiverr notification if needed. Or if you were able to create it in the content paragraph somehow, then that solves it. So we'll see. Good luck and thank you. Sorry I didn't say thank you today yet. Good luck. Always say thank you, chat. I always say it. I keep forgetting it, especially now 4.7. That motherfucker probably gonna remember better than any one of those models. So always say thank you, chat. Replit, okay, that's done. Fiverr, alright. The email, that's done. Fiverr here, and then close that. Another Fiverr message. Hast du eine... Yeah, I don't speak German, homie. I do have AI translation, but I've learned out the past experience that it's not good to have a successful collaboration. I'm sorry. Sometimes I don't understand clients or they won't understand me, and that results in me getting a bad review, which I don't support actually. So I really wish you good luck. If there's anybody that speaks German in the chat, let me know, because I can send you a Fiverr order right now. But you just need to be speaking German, you know what I mean? I know sprechen Deutsch. Alright, so let me just open this for a second. Now let me go to the $Vibe Club. I'll go to the challenges. I'll import a challenge. And am I able to drag it here? No. So I'll go to desktop. Just upload it. Desktop. Fiverr profile challenge. Import challenge. Successfully imported. And then this one we're gonna delete. And let's see the challenge now on the front end. First, let me run this Replit prompt, because he gave me a little prompt here. Alright, let's just run it. And then how does it look on the front end? Fiverr challenge. I need to organize something here. You click on it. You get 14 days. I can join the challenge. Alright, I'm in. Unjoin. Alright, so I'll need to figure out some details here to activate challenges. But this is already a good setup to push you guys to create accounts. One-on-one coaching, I'll put that. Let me try something. I'm gonna go to the challenge. I'm gonna edit the challenge. I'm gonna say the prize is plus one-on-one coaching for 30 days. Let's see if it saves. It's amazing if it works, chat. I'm not sure about this. Got to work on that. This works. That's amazing. Republish this and see if we see the referral come on. Let's check the world while that's doing that. Colin's online. Easy's there. Or was online. 8 users online. Morocco. Oh, we haven't had a Morocco signee yet. Let me check the chat. Morocco. That must be one of our... We've got a viewer in Marrakesh and a viewer in Casablanca. That was actually very good what he did here. Let me see. The next challenge, chat. What is the next challenge for you guys? Let me think. And I need to make... Yeah. Let me figure this out. So a user is allowed to join a challenge, but we should have a feature when creating a challenge that once they click join challenge, they should get a pop-up, and each challenge requires a few things. For example, the Fiverr challenge requires the Fiverr profile. A Replit challenge requires the Replit URL. Can you set it up in a way that when I'm creating a challenge, I can pre-define that, and once a user clicks join challenge, they get that pop-up and they can fill in their details so that they can actually join the challenge. And within the challenge for the admin, I should get a way to click it and see all the people participating and all the submissions that they're doing and stuff like that. Let's just run it like that. I'm on power mode anyway, chat. We don't care at this point. Like, we're just burning. How much is he burning for a minute? 50 cents. 50 cents. And I don't even know why he gave me a discount. Usage is first deducted from your monthly credit. Alright. We'll figure it out. This is not entirely correct. If I'm looking here. Yeah. 0 joined. I will say on the number of people joined, we should show how many slots are available as well. So you could say 0 of 10 joined, 0 of 20 joined, depending on how many slots we add in. Any feedback? I'll be checking the Discord soon, chat. I said it already to everybody in the clan. If you go to Discord and you go to Dollar Vibe Club and you go to the DVC bug support, here I haven't tried signing up now. Seems to have disappeared of Google. Alright. Chunky Monster, I haven't done anything for Google yet. So if you want to tap in as a mentor for that, and if even you want to run the SEO course and the GEO course, that would be amazing. I'm confident in your ability. I would love to get you in on that mentor tag. Alright, so I'll check these in a few. This is working on that. Okay. We'll let it run. Actually, I might give people 30 days challenge time. What do you think, chat? That gives you also time to get your first order in. And it is possible because Easy just did it. If you guys go to the chat and you look at freelance, this is one of our viewers. He followed the plan, he followed the blueprint, and he got his first order today for $350. It's a start, it's not a lot of money, and in the beginning you got to sell for less to get more. And that will come, the rewards will be there. It's like a farmer, you got to plant your seeds and sit, wait a half a season, 2 seasons, and then you get rewarded. This is great. Let's work on the next challenge. Once this update is done, let me see if he actually updated it, chat. Yo, Sans, welcome back to the chat. Welcome to the stream. Round 2 today. Where is it adding in? I don't see the referral link per se. Ah, he's still working on it, I guess. Oh, no. Ah, here it is. When we add in a referral link in the backend on a challenge, I really want a new card to pop up, maybe right below the description, that really stands out and says join Fiverr now, and with some marketing text and then the link that's provided. And you can even make that card a little green with a gradient effect, keep it white green, something cool, something that stands out, maybe even with the Fiverr logo on it. Alright, let me pop some aircon, let me hydrate, chat, and then I'm gonna have to take a break, stretcher for a few. Let me just run this code. Don't forget, chat, we got a few community sessions going this week. Tomorrow we're gonna do a Replit. Whoever's got projects, you come in the Discord, it's a private co-work session and we get hands-on. Sunday we're gonna do a full Fiverr day. And then next week we've got a co-work scheduled with Hunter from High Five. And he's going to give his insights in business. It's good to have different perspectives from people. You can check in, you can see what time it will be in your region. And when you've got a membership, it should all be automated. You should be able to check everything. Right now we're just working on fine-tuning the challenges. And then I'm going to start adding in the challenges. And then I want to check something. The admin dashboard needs a leaderboard button in the navigation sidebar. When we click the leaderboard, a new page view should open. Well, the page should stay the same, navigation menu should stay, header should stay, but in the page content we should get leaderboard information. We should be able to track all the points, all the users, and we should be able to track how people are earning points and all that good stuff right now. And we should also have a tab with an overview on how we distribute points and how the reward system will be. For now, set it up as a base. Make sure there's only real data coming from the database. Users are active, users are doing stuff. So let's start tracking that. I'm just running it on power, chat. I'm not holding back today. It's launch day. And in launch day, you go all in, chat. And you run it as hard as you can. If there's any Dollar Vibe Club Buildathon people watching, feel free to check out my Buildathon link. I'll pass it here. That was what I joined up with. We're going for that 10k prize. We've worked hard. We've did exactly what they've planned and we're shipped in week 3. We've got our first members active. We've got people from around the world. Let's run it, chat. Let's just let these bugs run. Let me take a stretcher, chat. I'll be right back. And then we'll go for round 2 in this second part of the stream today. Don't forget yourself to take a stretch and to hydrate. You know the vibes. Mo knows what's up. He didn't even have to tell me today. I told myself. We can let these run. Let's put the world on chat so we see what's happening. Ooh, 5 people online. Sans is online, Mia's online, Easy's online, Colin's online. Nice to see. Yeah, Mo, you heard me. I'm out. I'll be right back, chat. I'm gonna put you in mission control. Alright, chat. Lap 2. Just like Max Verstappen, we get right back in the cockpit and we hit the ground running. We do not stop. Is he finishing my bugs? Come on, man, so I can pump up. What were the bugs actually? Oh yeah, leaderboard, referral link on the back end. I want to see how that is made. And then the number of slots that joined. Alright, let me publish this in a few. I want to see the challenges. I actually also want to be able to add the referral link options in courses, and for now I want you to already add it for the Fiverr one and seed it into the database. You have the URL so that the Fiverr course, only the Fiverr course, has that referral link, and then I will do the Replit course manually with the Replit referral link. Alright chat, we're running on power mode. Let's burn those credits, man. Let's burn it to the ground, chat, today. I'm not playing. Chat, if you guys can do me a huge favor and go to youtube.com and my channel and then watch this latest video and share it and like it. That's the video for the submission on Replit. So the more engagement, the better. This is the promotional video where I explain the platform. You guys know what it is, but if you get a moment in your time. Ooh, speed streaming. 28k. That homie crazy. Also, with all these updates, make sure that the JSONs are updated for course and challenges, so that when I feed it to my agent to train him, that they understand the new format of the referrals and everything. Yeah, it wrote Jason instead of Jason. Well, I'll put it on JSON because that might be a flaw. JSON chat is the best way to import big chunks of data. Alright, I'm gonna be checking that after. I'm gonna check his rebroadcast after. Right now I'm gonna just run this. Oh, another notification. Manny, that's nice. Slowly building that up. Very nice. Keep running it. Nice numbers here. I just need the referral link to be more clear. And then I'll add the referral link in for a few. Let me check the YouTubes. Alright. Come on. You're on power mode, Agent 4. There's no excuse. Come on, man. Let me hit the bathroom real quick, chat. I'll be right back. Alright, chat, how's he doing? Alright, he's running the leaderboards. Let's get it. Let him run in the background. Let's open the world. Yeah, I had an issue here. Let me add that bug real quick, chat. Right now on production site, these bubbles are blank. There's no bubbles showing at all. It should actually pick up user activity site-wide. We have enough users now doing stuff on the website and engaging. So even signups, just leave it there and make sure it's live. Oh, I've got a bunch of messages. Alright, I'll check them after because I'm a bit busy now. But you guys see how busy it is on Fiverr and it's just a random Thursday night. But I'm a bit focused on the Dollar Vibe Club now, so let's ignore these for a second. Thank you, good luck. Hi, taking over from AI and I will have a read now. I've developed a prototype, lovable, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Can you send me a link to test the prototype? Oh, it's busy in Fiverr today, chat. That's at least 3 requests in 1 hour. Fuck it, that's another 15-20k, who knows? Let's check the updates. Alright, still got a few bugs to look at, chat, but we'll get them done. First let him publish this, and then we can see from there. Oh, another request. Man, what is that? So busy today, chat. So busy. Whoever's new in the stream, don't be shy, drop a message in the chat. It's calm now. Let me know where you're from, let me know if you're into vibe coding, got any tech experience, if you're building anything. Really, don't be shy. I've got place in my head for at least 100 names. I know at least 20 of you guys. So start filling my brain, you know what I mean? It's so cool to see the world, like where the most activity is. You see clearly all the vibe coders are waking up here and here. These are run. Oh, we've got Morocco here right now. So incredible, chat. It's so mind blowing to see. Alright, chat. Welcome back, AK. Welcome back. We're just fine-tuning the challenges, fine-tuning the calendar. We've already got a few co-work sessions set up for this week. So if you go here and you click on community, here you will see what's planned. So tomorrow we're doing a full day Replit. Full day, I mean 1 hour. You can choose your time zone here to see what time it is in your country. And Sunday we're doing a full Fiverr day. So I will definitely hope to see you there. If you can make it, that would be great. And if not, we'll have a lot of co-work sessions coming in the future. Nice, nice. Tap in for sure. AK is online. Nice. We'll just let these last bugs run, chat. Once these last bugs are done, then we can continue on with Opus 4.7. A matter of fact, I'll send him a new JSON in a few moments. Oh, so incredible, chat. So incredible to work with AI. You guys have no idea how happy I am. Well, I guess you do, because you're doing the same like me every day. It's 5 AM and my brain, I've been up at least 24 hours and my brain just keeps running, chat. Alright, this is the special. Please remember, we're in beta. Incredible. Story time with Chris. What's up, Chris? Welcome to the stream. You're definitely a new chatter. I haven't seen your name. I'm born and raised in Belgium, Europe, but I'm living in Asia right now, in Thailand. And for the next 9 months, I'll just be streaming every day. So this is my little setup here in Thailand. I'll show you guys mission control. We're basically gonna be running a lot of Claude Opus 4.7. We've got 3 machines to run it on. We've got OpenClaw coming very soon. Welcome to the stream, man. We've got a whole lot planned. We're all about vibe coding here and AI in general and making internet money. That's all we kind of do on this channel. And I consider this basically a co-work, and you guys step into the office and start making money in your niche. whatever you're passionate about. There's tons of platforms online. Simon, you're new as well. Ooh, I've got a lot of people coming out of the shadows now. Welcome, welcome. I've never lived in the UK, but my mum was born in the UK, moved to New Zealand, and then moved to Belgium and had kids. So that's probably where I'm getting a bit of the UK accent and a bit of New Zealand accent and a bit of watching American TV. Where are you guys from? Or girls? A Walloon. What's a Walloon? I've never heard of a Walloon. Please, teach me something. You learn every day, chat. Yeah, bro, your accent is crazy. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I don't know crazy in a good way or bad way, but a Walloon. I have no idea what a Walloon is. People think with AI you can work less and save time. I'm working with AI with different ideas, and when I'm back work, that's it. AI is just giving you more ideas to work. Nice, nice, Simon. Simon says, crazy. Wallonia. Oh, no. I'm a Flandrian. We speak Dutch, so I was raised in Dutch. Well, I was raised in English, but I spoke Dutch in school. And languages has always been a fun part of my life journey, let's say. Je parlais un petit peu français, mais pas très bien. Ik spreek een beetje Vlaams, zeker en vast. English. I speak a little Thai, little Chinese. You know the vibes. But I speak fluent Dutch, that's for sure. That's been my success on Fiverr, speaking Dutch. I've serviced over 50% is Dutch and Holland clients. Alright, let's run this. And let me see. I'm actually South African. My Afrikaans. Oh, I love, that's one of my favorite accents. Most favorite accents in the world is South Afrikaans. And one of the best where I picked up most of the accent is probably, I don't know if you're proud of that movie or not, but Chappie. I love that movie. Chappie, if you want to be like that, you gotta be gangster. Chappie, you gotta be gangster, Chappie. I can't wait to learn and improve my Afrikaans. Well, not Afrikaans in that sense, but my English Afrikaans, let's say, put it that way. I love that accent. I fucking love that accent. Yeah, Afrikaans, yeah. For sure. I like that. I hope you guys join up to the Dollar Vibe Club if you are from South Africa. That would be cool to get you on the clock here. I don't know if you guys are joined or not. This is the Dollar Vibe Club that we just launched, and this basically is a project that we started 3 weeks ago for a build-a-thon. So maybe just to give you guys the rundown, Replit has been the go-to platform I've been working in the last year. I've transferred my whole commercial business to Replit, and they launched a build-a-thon. So they wanted us to explore, build and ship, and that's what we did the last 3 weeks. And Friday, tomorrow, is the main prize winner. We already won $1,000 in credits. So when you go to the profile and you look at Dollar Vibe Club, we are one of the winners. So winners, we are the crowd favorite. We were selected as crowd favorite, which makes me even more happy. And we won $1,000, but we have a potential to win 10k tomorrow, chat. And that money is being invested directly back into the platform and into the stream and into the community out here. So let's fingers crossed. And that's why we launched today. And it would be cool to get the South African on it. And then you're gangster. If you join the platform, you're gangster. The Dollar Vibe Club. Oh shit, man, I won't speak too much Afrikaans. I might start annoying you guys. Alright, so this is republished. Let me check the updates, chat. This is important. Give me a second. Let me check the challenges. Fiverr challenge. Alright, I'm still not seeing the referral banner. Okay, join the challenge. Still not seeing the pop-up. Courses. Did I republish it? Oh, it's still republishing. Alright, makes sense. Agent 4 slow sometime, even when you're running on power mode, chat. Our goal is to get the Dollar Vibe Club to 1 million users, chat. And in 2 years, when Web3 is stable, I want to put this project on the blockchain and give it to the community. Dollar Vibe Club, be sure to tap in. We got Morocco, Pakistan, Switzerland. Love to see it, chat. Come on. Republished, great. Let me refresh. Let me look at the challenge. Alright, I'm still not seeing the referral. No problem. Let's go to this for a minute. Let's choose this challenges and then JSON. Let's copy the JSON. Let's go to 4.7. I need you to check this JSON. Do you see any updates in it? As for the referral links, if yes, I need you to redo the complete JSON and save it in the folder so I can upload it and import it with the new dataset. Let's see what we get, chat. This is 2 agents running. This one just published. Let's let him leave him here for a second. I want to see what he did for the dashboard. So let me go to the dashboard and then leaderboards. Let me actually copy this. It might be this new JSON file. And then here you got leaderboards. Let me just do that off stream a second, chat, so I don't leak anybody's info. Woo! I already see people working to it. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I'm not going to say who's on top yet, but I see people running it. I see people running it. I'll have to check that all out in the end to make sure everything's legit. I also built a little thing in called streamer mode, so you guys don't see the usernames and I don't leak any usernames. But right now our membership is 240 ARR. The goal is $1 million, chat. We're not stopping till we hit $1 million, so that's the goal right now. Is he done? New template, referral. Okay, let's see if he does that. We got one more update. Perplexity just released a personal computer only for Mac users. Check them out. Fucking hell, man. It's busy today in AI landscape. Perplexity. I was already planning to go on Perplexity because I heard Perplexity is doing great partnership deals with vibe coders in public. Man, I'm gonna have to get that updated plan, eh? Alright, fuck it. I'll get it soon, chat. I'm not gonna get it now. I'll get it soon. I'll get it on stream with you guys. Alright, so right now we're good on this. Let me just check if I can go to the challenges. Import JSON. Let me get the new JSON file here. Allow that shit. Alright, show it to me. Alright, let me put that here. Let me see if he does it, chat. A challenge already exists, okay. I like that the system's taking care of duplicates. Boom, here we go. Now let's check it on the front end. Here we go, chat. Look how cute that is. Nice. Fucking amazing. Fucking amazing. Amazing. Alright, let's build the next gig. And that's basically importing it. So this is amazing. Now let's set up the next gig. And that will be a next challenge. And that is basically setting up a landing page. And I will give the website, which they need to make a new landing page for. You can interview me for the rest. Goal create a fresh, updated homepage for here. We will give them a $25 cash reward, and they have to build it in Replit. That's a mandatory thing so that we can take it over. And for the rest, you can interview me. For my Replit referral link, give me a second, I will post that here. Let me get my Replit referral link, chat, give me a second. I might as well, you know, that makes things easier. Alright. Give me the full JSON for that Replit challenge. Also check out Big Dave and explain what company they're building a homepage for. It's basically a gaming directory of the future. Oh, I got another bug coming in here. Google search needs high resolution favicon. Alright, Chunky, I'll follow up with you on this after the stream. I'll definitely put an alarm here, so I follow that up, and then I'll check it. Let me just check back the freelance game. Alright, allow it. Come write me that JSON. And then what's the name of it? Oh, actually here, Fiverr profile challenge. Alright. And then actually I want to go to that challenge, and I want to edit it, and I want to put it on 28 days. And I want to put the participants on the limit it, cash coaching, update challenge. Okay. How long should this Replit landing page take? We can do that in 14 days. Difficulty, well, anybody can do it. Hybrid community. Live Replit deployment URL I need. Alright, but here I get to see who joined. Alright, so there's a bug here, chat. Good that I checked that. So I go to the dashboard, I go to challenges. When I click this button in production to see who joined the challenges, it's giving me a blank page and not loading. Please, I've noticed a few times blank pages, for example with users that signed up before 16 April. Can you check all these things and do a site-wide sweep so that I don't get any more blank white pages? I actually also want you to set me up a custom 404 page with a header and a footer, and then maybe in the middle a nice 404 animation, maybe with some dropping coins. Can be the icon from our logo. Something cool, something interactive with button to the home page and a button to your dashboard. And if users not logged in, obviously they get taken to the login page. Alright chat, let's just run a few more bugs. Let me check the YouTube chat. Perplexity released, okay, that's for tomorrow. Simon, I bought a domain. How long does it take to configure it to my site? That depends from the provider. GoDaddy is usually pretty fast, and I can connect it to Replit within 15 minutes. The AI space is getting high day by day. It's getting crazy high easy. You have no idea. And every month or every 3 months we get completely swiped, and we all go back to the starting drawing board, to the same start line. Today also 4.7 came out. We're all hitting the same drawing board. Simon, very easy, just need right guidance. Can develop a website for you for free if you would like. I'll try to help. I just bought a domain, but I'm not sure configured it right. I'm using HTML. Simon, you seem like a guy that should join the Dollar Vibe Club. And tomorrow night we're doing a session about Replit. So basically, if you join the co-work and you're a subscriber and you're part of the Dollar Vibe Club, I will bring you on stage. You just tell me what you're building, your concept, and we'll get hands-on in it. You can invite me to your Replit. I can work in your Replit and do stuff, and I can show you the way. And we will film that experience. There will be other people in the call as well that are building their business. But you seem like a guy for that session tomorrow. And otherwise, you've got Pioneers in the chat. He's always ready to help. He's always ready to help. TGOD. Let's go to the Dollar Vibe Club homepage. Let's see what's popping. 10 people online. 4 people. Ooh, we've got India, Colin, and AK. Nice. There will be way more going on the site soon, so people will get way more active, because I'm going to put an incentive behind it. I'm going to make it a fun hangout, a place to be. You can be on the mobile soon. I'm going to create an application for it as well. All via Replit, directly published into the app stores. We're ready for this, chat. We're absolutely ready for this. Tomorrow, full day, Opus 4.7. But today, Replit Buildathon and launching it. You can always send us a screenshot in the Discord, Simon. And I'm happy to look at it right now. You just go to the Discord. You join the Discord. I'll share the link one more time. So you just go to this Discord. You post it in the showcase, and then we'll start reviewing it, and I'll give you my feedback. And if you don't want to share it, you can send me a DM at site web manifest. All right, Chunky, thanks for that. We'll dig into that tonight or tomorrow, the SEO part. Thank you very much. I know you're an SEO guru, so we got to tap in and we got to monetize that for the next year. I'd love to sell your services actually on Fiverr. I've got a huge network that wants SEO, but I kind of push it to the side because I'm not an SEO specialist. Spell Strike Tactical, welcome to the stream. Your name, I haven't seen that in the chat before, so I'm sure that you're new here. I hope you're into vibe coding. I hope you're into making internet money. And if you're into those things, I hope you stick around and join the community. We're running a tight ship here. We've been streaming non-stop 32 days. We went from 0 to 3,000 subscribers in 30 days, chat. And we're ready to share it with the community. Let me see. What 4 criteria should judges base on it? Okay, design, copy, brand fit, AI use. Yeah, I want mobile responsive and copy as well. Yeah, functionality. I want copy. Copy is going to be more important for me. Big Dave, what colors? Vibrant gaming colors. Yeah. What tags should appear in the challenge cards? Replit. All the above sound good. I'm working in 4.7, chat. It's crazy. Claude Code is crazy. I've only been using Claude Code a week now. I shifted from co-work. Bonus points for any of these. Mobile first. Working email, Discord sign up. Custom animations, micro interactions. Dark mode. Let's say custom animations. Fuck what they say. Be sure to join the Dollar Vibe Club, chat. There's a lot going on. We're planning. It's just launched today, so bear with us. We're working on a full system, updating everything, getting modules going. And for example, Simon, maybe I'm gonna make a course how to get a domain name and how to set it up from A to Z, because I'm trying to create courses that people can use in real life. So let me know what you want to learn. Once you've got an account, you can also go in. Let me log into my student account for a second. So once you've got an account, you can come here and you can leave feedback and it will go straight to my inbox and I'll be able to check it. So let me know what you want to learn. what I need to discover and test. One more. OpenAI announced the revamp of Codex, its own automated tool. Oh my god, man, the updates just keep coming today. AI is crazy today, man. I've got so many things to check on stream with you guys. Alright, the JSON's ready. Come on, run it for me, man. Okay, that's ready. Let me open it in the folder. Let me put that in the documents. Let me go here. Let me log in as an admin. Now let me go to the challenges. Import JSON. And Big Dave landing page challenge. Import challenge. Boom. Now let's go see if it imported. Fucking amazing, chat. Amazing. Incredible. Incredible. AI getting, literally, as we speak on stream, I'm getting blown away by AI, what it's doing right now. Literally easy. Okay, so we got 2 challenges on. Alright, I'm watching you so I can learn how to do my own live stream vibe coding. Well, Spell Strike Tactical, it's not perfect yet, and I'll be fine tuning it over the next few days, but go to courses on dollarvibeclub.com and click this course, How to Build in Public for Noobs. It shows you how I started my journey from 0 to 3,000 subscribers in 1 month. There will be more content coming soon, all the videos are dropping soon, and here you'll have a full training where I actually go through it, and small things, most things you probably already know, but I'm building up on this course as we go. I'm building it up. This is called the How to Build in Public course for noobs. And vibe coding, I promise you, vibe coding is going to be the biggest segment in streaming over the next 3 to 5 years. 100%, chat. People are going to want to see things being built in public. And I've got a very big marketing plan ready. I've got about 13 influencers that I'm going to bring on. YouTubers with a big audience who have no idea what vibe coding is. But they need platforms, they need tools for their community. So we're going to teach them on our streams. I've already got 7 calls, 7 influencers lined up. And that's bringing in a complete new market to our community. And I'll tell you honestly, Spell Strike, once you earn your badge in the Dollar Vibe Club and you got your points and your respect, then I would love to share your stream. We're going to have a community where people can go to vibe coders. I'm obviously not streaming 24 hours. It may seem that I'm streaming 24 hours, but it isn't. But I will be setting up a highlight page, a wall of fame. I'm trying to filter out the best of the best. Simon, our domain is using Namecheap DNS, which means you can set a domain redirect. Yes. Please refer to this knowledge article for detail. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to look for DNS settings in your Namecheap panel. And I can show you that on stream right now. DNS settings, Namecheap domain. So you go to Namecheap here. Take this. I'm just gonna post this. I'll just take this. Oh no, I can't send the screenshots right now. Anyway, type this into Google and you'll find it. You need to add your DNS in and then you can point it to any IP address that you want. This is what it says. Appreciate you. Cheers. So go to this. Let me post it here. I'll post it in the YouTube chat for you, Epi. I'll delete it in a few minutes. But that way you should be able to set any A record that you want. Oh, the URL's too big. Okay, post this in Google and you'll figure it out very fast. And if not, we'll get it done once you join the Dollar Vibe Club. I'm sure we can make a moment for you to get that done. This uses same design. Okay, let me publish it. And then let me check. Put it in Discord. I will check. Alright, what's your name in Discord? Simon. Alright, what does that mean? Your points. Is that the purple crown thing. Points are coming soon. Points are coming soon. Spell Strike, I'm still working out a good system. But it's basically going to be set on how the community rates your design skills, how the community rates your work and projects that you do, how the community rates your challenges. And based on that, there will be a leaderboard which will show who actually is the best of the best in the Dollar Vibe Club. And there's room for enough because there's so much work around the world. Let me add in another challenge. Wow, we've got 2 challenges. We could add in another challenge, chat, but what challenge should we add in? Well, I've got the application that I've got. I know what I want. Give me a second. Let me just copy that screenshot. Give me a second, chat. Chat, give me a second. Alright chat, let's get Claude's 4.7 to work. Okay, right now you see a screenshot with 4 modules. I need each module to be set up as a challenge, and I need to keep the client names private, but I need the case study to be explained as good as possible. Basically, what is the goal? I want to receive a published Replit link where I can test the module and the function works end to end. The first function is an AI receptionist. Basically, I need a phone number that should be integrated with Twilio. I can link my Twilio API details to it. A user phones that number, books in a call, an AI agent handles the call and then schedules the booking into the system. That's challenge 1, and you can put that one on $50. The second one is a lead recovery engine. You can put that one on $35. The third one is a capacity optimization engine, and that one you can put to $35 as well. And then the last one is a no-show prevention module, and that one you can put on $25. Please create these 4 challenges as individual modules. The end goal is always the same. I need a Replit link. Use my Replit referral link that you already have for all 4 challenges, and let's run it so that I can upload one by one the JSONs. Feel free to add on text and go as detailed as possible, and set up all the content as per the JSON so that the challenge looks full based on what you know. And if you need, ask me a bunch of questions, I can answer them here for you. This is amazing, chat. 4.7, the interface. I love everything about it, man. I love the way it's built. I love the way it runs. I love the way it looks, chat. It's unbelievable. Let me run this. I will import. This is published. So now I will import 4 more challenges, and once that's done we can relaunch it and do a little bit of promotion again. Spell Strike, cool. Replit is handling website loading in smart way like crazy. Yeah, I haven't had any problems so far, AK. I'm in progress of making a video for YouTube where anyone can start vibe coding starting from zero, no investment, building basic. That's great. You send me that video and I'd love to give you my input or feedback, and I would even love to do a watch party with you before you publish it. We can do a private watch party in the Discord, get a bunch of us in it, and we can give you feedback on it. But at the same time, I would say if you've almost done with it, just publish it. Start publishing content. Do not wait. Watch my interview that I spoke with Replit. I said if I could turn back the time, I would have been streaming vibe coding a year ago. I probably wouldn't have as much to do as I'm doing now, because the tools weren't they weren't there yet. But I have been working I have been working in Replit for over a year and a half now. I wonder if I still got that video live or if I deleted it. Let me check, chat. Content. Show me the last 50. No, I deleted it when I started streaming fresh. Oh, that's sad. I should have left it there. Alright. I'm in progress. Yes, sure will. Night still in progress. Alright, man. Good luck. Content is king. Spencer. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. He keeps laughing. W's in the chat. Not gonna lie. He funny. That's funny. Alright, DNS settings done. This we can come here for a moment. I vibe coded a spelling game, Call of Duty style with missions and earned XP. Nice, Spell Strike. Put it in the showcase and soon you'll be able to share it on Dollar Vibe Club. We'll have a section where you can share it. People get to vote and get to test it. It's best to get your applications tested by people. How should I describe the client case study? Medical, aesthetic, high-end appointment-based service business. Difficulty across all 4 modules. I'll put this at intermediate. This is a harder challenge. I'll put this on 21 days. Let me see what you can get done, chat. Which judging criteria should be common across all 4? Functionality, in quality, demo polish. Yeah. People are going crazy with 4.7. A guy created an FPS game called... Yeah, I've seen some people already making videos about it. I didn't put 4.7 in my title today because I'm not really working in it. And I don't want to be like fake clickbaiting, but I'll be doing a full Claude 4.7 stream later today or tomorrow. Come on, give me these JSON files. Let me check. Actually wanted to check. Yeah, that's all good. This needs to load. I guess this is republishing. Alright, so that should be good. Then now I just need the 4 JSON files, chat. So once I got those, I can import 4 challenges. Easy peasy. And now you see also how I'm using these things combined with AI. And Claude combined with Replit. My tech stack for the next 30 days, chat, is Replit as a foundation, GitHub as the island where you come and get shit done, and Claude Cowork as my helper. Well, not as my helper because Claude Code is actually smarter than me. So Claude Code as my leader, let's say, for each project. So I don't have to lead the projects. And right now it's just making 4 JSON. I just got to import it in JSON. Yeah, I use Whisper Talk. All I do is chat all day, so I'm not sure if these stats are up there, but I'm working to get them up there. 40-day streak. Since I've been streaming, I didn't go offline, chat. I've been using it every single day. And we're not going offline. I'll tell you that, man. We're not going offline. The next 9 months, every single day, build. And get it out there. Get people using it. Let me actually check if it did the front end update. Yeah, nice. Nice. Easy's on that Fiverr profile challenge. Nice. Easy, know what's up. I will be fine-tuning the challenges over the next day, chat. That's a disclaimer that I'm giving here on stream and that I gave during onboarding. I have to finalize everything. I'm gonna see if I can get sponsors on board to make the prize money go up. But very, very exciting stuff coming up, chat. I'm telling you that. Who would have thought? Come on, give me the JSON files, man. You're on Agent 4 power mode. Oh no, 4.7 power mode. The credits has been actually pretty good. 1 million context, 6 days full. Let's run it this week. Let's run it as hard as we can, chat. Alright, chat, I'm going to take a stretcher, put on the AC for a few minutes, and I'll be right back. I'm going to put you guys in mission control. You know the vibes. Every half an hour we got to stretch out, hydrate. Let me turn up the music for you guys. No, right now you can't log in with Replit, you can't log in with Google, but I'm working on getting that done very soon. But my honest opinion is to you, just use the subscribing because you can onboard and everything. Alright, chat. I'll do this in a few minutes. Let me be right back. Hang around because we're still streaming, we're not stopping yet. We've got another lap to go. Max Verstappen style.
What is the matter for today?
Money. Money.
Couple joints at a time. I'm good, the bong rib too. What? I like 'em athletic, brown hair, down to smoke something, and gon' be with me when the smoke clear. Light it up, no fears, legendary. Status of a goat here. What am I supposed to wear? Jewelry in both my ears, chrome every layer. Smoke veggies while you niggas smoke Reggie. Always ready, shoot the shot, no hezzy. Got responsibility, when you rich the crown get heavy. I'm rich cause my soul's not empty. My kids here with me, I live simply.
Alright, chat, we're back for lap 3. If you read my message, be sure to drop a like, a subscribe, it means a lot. Share it with at least one person that loves internet money. And let's start importing these challenges. These are the official challenges, chat. I might be putting the money higher because I'm looking for sponsoring as we speak. So if I get that done, then we're gonna get that done, you know what I mean? Let me just copy these into the system, chat, give me a minute. These are 4 modules that I actually need. Alright, let's go to the application. Let's go to challenge. Oh, I guess I was logged out too long. Alright, let's go to challenges. Let's go to import JSON. The AI receptionist first. Import. Let's import the next challenge. Capacity optimization. Import. Let's go to the next challenge. Fiverr profile, lead recovery, import. No show prevention, import. Let's go to the challenges chat. Incredible. Incredible. I'll start upping the prices as I can. I'll add a disclaimer here. Maybe Yeah, I'll add a disclaimer here soon. Alright, this is very cool. The challenges are in, the community program is in. Tomorrow we got 2 sessions for the co-work. Whoever joins up is welcome to go in. We got Sans logged in on the platform, that's cool to see. And you got a bunch of visitors not logged in, just visiting from the side. I love it. Incredible to see, chat. Incredible to see. I would love for it to spin automatic. It does spin automatic but slow. I'll put a little speeder. What do you mean by is this music all AI? What do you mean? This music is Wiz Khalifa, man. This is the new album. Don't get it twisted. This is the brand new album. And Bestie Bong right now, chat. You know the vibes, man. It's 5 AM, 6 AM out here. Alright, chat. Let's lock in. I guess I'm curious to find out how old you are, Colin. And then I'll tell you my age. But I've always been tapped into culture, I'll tell you that. Like, culture is very important. Culture's where money is made, you know what I mean? You get on the world map, you just come to the home page, and you get on the world map, you click this here. Once you click it, you go to the world map. And actually, as you're the second one that asked it, so I'm going to make an extra image here. In the top right, where the active users are and it's clickable to the world map, I kind of want a little sketch handwritten thing. Click to view world map, so it stands out and people know they can click it to view the world map. Make it like it's written with a drawn arrow to it, and that can be a bit lower on the module. Let's see if he understands me, chat. 47. Oh, Colin, you up there. You got me beat, man. Shit. Alright. Then I'll say Snoop Dogg. I'm sure you know Snoop Dogg, right? I'm 40. I'm 40 on the head, not 40 plus. Please. Yeah, well, if you know Snoop Dogg, you know the vibes. I've always loved that, and Wiz Khalifa's the modern version of it. The world map. Oh yeah, you can do that in Replit. That was literally in 5-second prompt. Oh, you're 40 as well. Woo, we got the 40s club. Because I've got a lot of youngsters as well on the Discord, but that's good to have a few 40-year-olds. We'll create our own co-work group. So we've experienced life a bit. If you're above 40, you know what I mean. So we'll have private sessions. A matter of fact, I'm going to go to the platform now. And I'm going to go create a co-work session. And I'm going to put that on next week. Tuesday. And we'll call that the 40s co-work club. This co-work session will be only by 40 or plus. And it's time to take a co-work session with people of our own age who have experienced what we've all experienced and see how we can optimize that in the co-work experience. I'll do that my time, 12, and do it an hour. I invite all the 40-year-olds to tap in. Be sure to have Discord so that you can join. And be sure that you're a Dollar Vibe Club member. And we're only gonna accept 5 people because we're old, so that means we want to take it easy. A matter of fact, we're gonna do that every Tuesday. Tuesday is the 40s club. I like that. 40s vibe code co-work club. Create session. And next week, now when you go to the calendar, when you check next week, I've got a double booking here, so let me just change this to Monday. Co-work session. Go it on Monday. And this goes standard on every Monday, chat. Every Monday. We start the week fresh with the old heads, and the old heads will give the youngsters advice for the rest of the week. Okay, so whoever's 40 plus and in Dollar Vibe Club, I'll see you on Monday in a private co-work session. 40s Vibe Code Co-work Club. Let me check the chat. I'm 40. G's are immortal. You know the vibes. Damn, I can join the club. 1986. Ah, you can join the club, Mia. You're right on the dot. I'm 1985, so you're right on the dot. You're right on the dot. You join that stream. You join that co-work for sure. Spell Strike, where are you? Where are you? Where am I? I'm currently in Thailand. We'll check it don't clash with my Cairo. Alright, Colin. Don't worry, we can shape it around as I see community where the 40-year-olds are based. I'll actually say. Ooh, look at that chat. Let me republish this already so you guys see where the map is. And then let me say, during onboarding, I would like to ask the user's birthday. Mention that this will be kept private forever, and it's only used to reward you on your birthday with gifts and presents from the platform and the community. And that way we can also better organize the groups in the co-work sessions based on age, experience, stuff like that. Make sure once you fill in that age, birthday as an onboarding field, that it's seeded into the database and that it shows on the profile when the admin wants to check it. And the user should obviously see their own birthday so they can edit it, but it shouldn't be shown on the public front end pages. Alright, let's see if he understands it. He's in power mode, so he shouldn't have a hard time doing it. Let me get the arrow in it, chat, and then you guys will be able to see that the world map's there. That's something that really helps, I think. Click to view world map. Okay, so in America, East Coast, what time? Well, you just go to community, and then you choose the time slot that you've got in your time zone. And if you've joined, it should show your time zone automatic. And let's say it's in the USA. I'm not good in East Coast, so I'm guessing that's New York. New York, possibly. Let me see. America. I don't know what East Coast is, but in America it would be Tuesday. No, it would be on Sunday for you. Oh, I would have to check that if that makes sense. Yeah. So it would be on Sunday 1 p.m. But we'll see. I'll still plan it. Like I said, this is not final. This is first day, launch day. And I want to make it so it fits to all the users. And I'll get that information as we go on with onboardings and stuff. We got 6 challenges, 8 courses and community. And this week we're going to start filling it up. The goal is 88 courses, 88 challenges. Yeah, the whole system is optimized. So once you onboard, you give your timing in and it will set everything for everybody automatic. South Carolina in the house. Let me check. We got Colin, South Carolina. I'm guessing that's out here somewhere. I guess you're one of those anonymous visitors here still. But once you join up, we'll start seeing it. It will refill itself and update itself as we go. Let me run this last bug chat. Nice, nice, nice. We're going to fine tune the Fiverr challenge, but that one's going to be real. I have a call with Fiverr soon, so I'm going to try and get some sponsoring and promotion. Maybe even starter credits for your guys' profiles. But definitely tap into that Fiverr challenge. I still need to update a few things like how you can submit the URL and shit, but I'll work that out as we get there, chat, over the next few days. Come on, run it, chat. Agent 4, come on, speed. Let me turn down the music a bit, get in skilly mode. South Carolina, 6 p.m. UK, about 11 p.m. US Eastern. I'm working on that Fiverr challenge. Don't worry about the times, chat. It should be all automatic set up for you guys. Let me refresh this. Amazing. Now everybody sees it's a world map, chat. Incredible. So fucking amazing. Agent 4 is so amazing. Ah, we should make the overlay go over it, obviously. Make sure the overlay, once you hover over it, is above the text so it's readable. Look at the screenshot right now, it's not readable. More gigs, more challenges coming very soon, chat. I'm going to fine tune it over the coming few days. We've got the entire weekend to go crazy. When are you going to implement PayPal? Well, I haven't thought about that yet, but I might implement it tomorrow. Is that a must? I might implement that tomorrow, but no rush, Spell. I know you're here for the long run, not the short time. Definitely sub up and you'll be in the loop. Join the Discord for sure. I'll send the Discord once more. The Discord is going to be locked in private soon, so you will actually have to be a Dollar Vibe Club member, but for now you can already browse around in it. We'll set the tags soon automatically. Alright. Go to the Discord, drop your messages, let me see what's up here. Alright. Let me make a screenshot, chat, for the Replit Discord. Let me take a screenshot. Put the world a bit nicer so they can see all the users. And then get here that screenshot. Give me a second, chat. Then go to Discord. At Water Cooler Gang and anyone from the builder ton that joined. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. It's incredible looking at my world and seeing users pop on all around the world. The Vibe Code community is going to be incredible. Tap in. We've got 8 courses active, 6 challenges active, and 5 private co-work sessions planned. Go find out dollarvibeclub.com or live on YouTube. Alright, that's some cross promotion. I'll check the personal DMs after. Let me see if he's running this last one. No, the channel did disappear, Rob. My nephew is going to set it up in the announcement channel moving forward. I wanted to clean up the Discord a bit, and you can see we clearly did that. We have 2 categories now. The start, the lobby, and the members only. This one's going to be locked down soon for members only. And I just wanted to simplify things, and we're going to add the YouTubes here in the announcements. But thanks for noticing. Alright, let's publish this shit. Amazing chat. Incredible. Alright. Yeah, I guess we're live right now, chat. Be right back. Alright, chat, we're back. That was a mini stretch. Let's lock in for a second. Okay, this is good for now. This is published. Oh, approve and publish it. 2 hours 15 minutes in chat. Another 15 minutes. I'll take a stretcher and then we'll see how long we'll go still. Maybe I should add a nice banner at the end for people that are fast. No, I'm not going to overkill it for now. I was going to add a section where the world's here, but let's just keep it. That's the added feature. That's the secret feature. Let's just say it's a secret feature for now. Let me republish this. Alright, let me refresh. Whoever's new in the chat, drop your name. I just got to meet Simon, got to meet Spellstrike. I know Colin's been here a few days now. So yeah, don't be shy. Say hi. You know the vibes. I had another chatter here before, but he's gone dark. But I'm sure he's lurking in the... Oh yeah, story times with Chris. That was... that's South African. I hope he joined. And I had one more viewer, something with TV. I want to check his channel. I gotta check his channel. How do you make marketing? Let me check his channel, chat. Nice, he's got 170 subscribers. He's got some shorts. Nice, nice, nice. Nerd Explains. Very good name. Very, very good name. Let's tap into that soon, chat. Come on, publish that shit. You're on Agent 4 power mode, man. What are you talking about? Ooh, power mode is 50% off, chat. If I knew that. Powered by 4.7, chat. So we have been using Opus 4.7. So fuck it, I'm gonna put it in my title. Who am I kidding? I can put that in my title, right, chat? I'll put that in my title in the second stream. We had 2 streams today. Fuck it. I'll call it day 32. I'll say Replit Opus 4.7 Replit Agent 4. And then I'll go add it to the playlist and I'll put in the keywords. So we got vibe coding, Replit, Claude, code, Opus, OpenAI, web design, freelancer, Fiverr, digital nomad, online business, learn web design, make money online. Alright, let's just do that. Okay, the title's changed. I've put Opus in the title. That might get us even more clicks. But fuck it. If we're using Opus 4.7 here. Chat, it's 50% off. So if you were ready to burn tokens, I'd suggest you do. Let me refresh here. Incredible. Map is above it now. Great. Okay. I want to do something, and that might be a big update for you guys who are already doing courses, but it's a mandatory update, chat. Give me a minute. I'm just going to click here. I'm going to put this power mode in code optimization, and then I'm going to say when a user enrolls for a course and actually starts the course in their user dashboard, they should be having a timer on each course. Let's start with 15 minutes per course now. And once they click to the next course, that marks as a completion. Maybe also figure out a way how we are measuring course completion. So do we have a quiz set up for each? And if not, can you add that into the JSON so I can train my agent again to make a quiz and add that into it? Let's let him run. Heck yeah. I'm back. Think you missed my chat. How are you mapping JSON data to your components? It's crazy. Well, I built a module in Replit, and it's basically, I said, build me a JSON module that will import all the exact content and then give me this so I can copy this and train my agent. And basically, when you look at the format, this is how it's set up. So yeah, build it one time in Replit, make sure you've got the JSON module importer here, and then you have Claude Code. Use the intelligence and the subscription that you have in Claude Code to build the JSONs. And I did it for challenges and for courses, and I'll be doing it for other things as well. I'll go here. Right now, when I log in as an admin and I click on activity feed, it's not working. It's just showing a blank content area. Make sure all the activities site-wide of the entire platform is showing there. And it should be a legacy activity, so I should be able to track everything, organize stuff, filter on dates and stuff, get it done. Let's see Dollar Vibe Club, how we doing here? Nice, nice. We got a little... Ooh, we got 2K chat of Kevin. Shout out to Kevin. Rip Plane. See what's really happening. Workflow intelligence. Let's visit his project. Ooh, I got a new Fiverr message chat. Give me a minute. Look at this. Ah, they don't show it here, but maybe I might be showing it here. Our team has handpicked a brief for you. Another request chat. That's 4 today. Let me check this in a moment. First, let me see the brief. Money first chat. You know the vibes. Responsive WordPress site with booking. Hi, my name is Tommy. 20 plus years experience in WordPress and 2 years now heavy in Vibe and AI technology. Please tell me more about your brand. Do you have a logo? I can set up an offer and potentially a demo, and we can take it from there. Thank you, Tommy. All right, send a response. So that's in my pipeline. We've got to do a bunch of demos on stream as well, but I'll probably have to get them done off stream. Well, I might still do them when I launch Vibe Club here. So what is this? You don't have productivity, you have a visibility problem. All right. Shout out to you, shout out to your concept, shout out to your app. Thanks for the Replit cash. Unfortunately, I ran all out, but I'm giving you this shout out to highlight you in that way. I'll be testing your app soon, but right now, building hard on the Dollar Vibe Club. Thank you. All right, so we gave him a shout out. 2K chat. That's a huge donation. That's a huge donation from Replit. That's a huge donation. Almost at 50K chat. Almost at 50K. Let me go to the Dollar Vibe Club. What's he doing? Enroll course start. Okay, I have a complete 15 timer. A quiz JSON schema baked into the my meta. Alright, good enough context. Alright, boom, 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 boom. Then I'm gonna have the AI rewrite the Fiverr gigs and the courses here. Give me a minute, chat. Once it's published, I'll train Claude Code and we'll run a bit more of Opus 4.7. You know the vibes. 6 AM out here, we're not stopping, chat. Alright, come on, finish those. Is he actually submitting everything to the Git? That's great. Alright, run them. Yep, now I'm stoned as fuck. Next up, we need to redo all the courses that we made. Please check this JSON first. We have 2 new sections that should be the quizzing part at the end of a course, so actual lesson modules and quiz modules. And we should also have a referral section. And for Fiverr and for Replit, you already have the referral details. So once I send you this JSON, please check it, confirm it, and then rerun me 8 new course JSON files so I can import them. This is the approach that I'm doing with JSON. Chat is actually like, I understand the logic and I understand what JSON and API calls do and all that shit. I'm just not incapable to write my own JSON. That's why I do it this way. And that way I don't have to do a lot of coding or content management, if you know. I can just talk, stream. Every single day when I stream, it gets logged into Obsidian. And this is basically my brain of the stream. Every single stream is being transcribed and turned into courses. Everything I talk, real talk with you guys in the chat. If you guys ask something, it gets taken in here. And that's basically how we're going to be building out these courses. Every course gets built. And yeah, let's run it because we've got a whole section to go. So once I get this JSON. Alright, the JSON is updated. So let me have a look at that. I'll log in as an admin here. Let's see. I go to courses, go to import JSON. I show the scheme. Ooh. Alright, so I have to copy it like this. That's okay. And let's see what he gives me. Let's see if I'm crazy or if I need to fine tune it a bit more. These are the 8 courses that we created already. Ten puffs in a row. Activity feed for admin. He's building that right now. And then we get to republish this, and then we can import our JSONs. Oh, is he already done? I see 6 course folders. Which 8 courses should you generate? Which referral link should appear on each course? Fiverr, Replit on all 8. Fiverr. Match course topic. For now, only Fiverr and Replit have referral links, the others don't. You already have the 2 referral links for Fiverr and Replit. How should I handle the quiz module, final module, 2 separate quiz modules, mid and end, just meta quiz previews, no quiz module per lesson. Yeah, let's do a quiz module per lesson. How deep should the lesson HTML content be per module? Rich, 300 to 500 words. Outline only. Long form. Let's go long form. Let's go long form, chat. Let's see what he does long form. Can you confirm that all these courses will be created based on my Obsidian Vault? Burn baby burn, we've got unlimited tokens right now chat. Let's just let it run. 4.7 chat, we made it to 4.7. Crazy times. Fucking crazy times. Oh, let me check the chat. I just joined. It's just me who did the channel. I see, bet. I'm back. Think you missed my chat. Alright, how do you like Opus 4.7? Pretty good so far, so good. And especially Claude Code. You know I was working in co-work. Code's been turned out to be way better. Just updated my agent. Nice. Nice. Agent's got to be updated. I've got to do my whole local agent updating here. Dollar Vibe Claude, another bug. K Van der Beek, nice. I have to see who Van der Beek. I think that's Kelly. I think that is Kelly. Not 100% sure. What is it? Spell? Ah, yeah. I know who this is. I think I know who this is. Project Showcase. Happy to share my fake portfolio. It's not fake. It's your real portfolio. What I fixed, okay. Let me republish that once he's fixed it. Come on. Ah, Spell Strike. I know who you are. Now I understand. Now I know who you are. Chat, look at this. Let me go to the gallery. I know who you are. You're a co-buildathon person. Incredible. Your part. I was on a call with you, I think, during the Replit. And that's so cool. We're part of that little group that won. So we're kind of a gang, you would say, or people would argue. Very cool. I wish I had more Replit cash, but I've got no Replit cash anymore. But shout out to your project. We kind of our own little winners group of week 3, I think. And excited to see what you're going to do with the concept. And hope you join the Dollar Vibe Club for sure. Alright, shout out to you. Let me favorite this. Let me score it. All 5s chat. Great concept. Love the presentation also and the interview. Let's go week 3 gang. Alright, that's so cool. I know who you are, Spell Strike. That's so cool. Thanks for passing by. Thanks for stopping by, really. I appreciate that. Especially as a co-winner. That definitely means something. Welcome to the Dollar Vibe Club, I would say. We're just getting signed up and fine-tuning everything. But we launched today. We've got a bunch of users already signed up to the platform. I would love to have you on it. I can't review right now, Epi. I can't review right now, but I'm going to do that the coming days because I've got a community session. Make sure you're on the stream. It's not going to be the stream. It's going to be Discord private, members only. And I will go in and actually work with you on your profile and actually show you hands-on how to get things done. This is great. Let me see. Very nice to have him around here. And if we can ever help with anything Spell Strike, you let me know as well. Let me approve and publish this. Is he ready? He's still running. Come on, boy. Alright, chat. Let's get these vibe code fingers going. And that vibe code voice going. 2.5 hours in, that's mean we did at least 8 hours streaming today, chat. You know the vibes. Come on, post it so we can go live. And then I gotta go to courses after, and then I'll see if the JSON works. Courses, import JSON. So we should be able to delete all these and then upload one by one and see if the new design starts working. Can you also confirm and make sure that the referral cards will show for the courses once the new JSONs are updated? Power mode, chat. We're burning, we're burning, we're burning. Let's see what he says. Oh, more notifications. Raymar, W's in the chat. Nice. Replit support. Officially live for a few hours. That's cool. Family Fire Gaming. Nice. Ah, that's nice. People are engaging with it. That means a lot. That really means a lot. And we're just doing everything fully transparent. This was like 2 hours ago. I think we're up a few dollars now. And we're going until 1 million, chat. Let me actually post my promo video. Anybody following the Saikuno law? That shit funny as hell to me, man. That shit's so funny to me, chat. What was I gonna paste? Oh yeah. Live every single day. Vibe coding in public. Com tap in. Yes, Spell Strike. Tell me about it. It's the first time I'm using Opus 4.7 right now, and I'm having the courses written up, and it's huge. It's a lot of content, and it's gonna be done in a few. Opus 4.7, I think, is gonna take us next week on a crazy journey. I think it's gonna be non-stop. I'm not gonna be able to sleep because of 4.7. I've already been up 24 hours, chat. Like. And this is, I'm only doing stream stuff right now. I also do agent stuff on the back end. Yeah, all the videos are going to be coming soon. I'm connecting to the HeyGen API. And HeyGen's basically going to recreate videos as me. You guys seen that all last time on the stream. I can show you again. Sign in. I'm working on it as we speak, and I'm going to build in the API from HeyGen into the application. It's going to save me a lot of time. We basically got here. This is Tommy AI, chat. Let me show you guys. Let me turn it up and turn down the music a second. So I'll show you guys Tommy AI. But it will be all based on my scripts, chat, so you won't be looking at random lame stuff. Here we go. This was one test.
Welcome to the Vibe Coding to One Mellow course series. I'm Tommy, or more accurately, I'm the AI version of Tommy, built from hundreds.
The accent is not quite my accent, chat, but
2 decades of experience. I've spent years building WordPress sites, but in early 2026 everything shifted AI tools like Claude and Replit. Right now, the tools are here, the demand is here, the only variable is you. I'm Tommy and let's build. Start course 1 now.
This was just a test. This is literally my first test, so don't kill me for the bad quality, but just to show you guys what's possible, and soon you'll see it. This is another video I did with another agent model based on an image. Most people use AI like tourists. They prompt ChatGPT, screenshot the answer, post it on LinkedIn and leave. I'm going to give a full HeyGen course soon. That's the gap between a tourist and an operator. One plays with the tools, the other gets paid. 26 days basically ago, it's transcribing me and everything I say on stream. 13,000 in revenue, over 500 Fiverr orders. Right now I'm using the cheapest model. It's $30 a month, but the best model that you will need will be $99 a month, and you will be able to make a bunch of videos. I'm focusing only on 1-minute videos for my courses. Every single course will get a lesson video. So I'm building the courses here as we speak and fine-tuning them constantly. And I'm going to have a video for each course so that the user actually gets a fun way to join the course. I'll set up a HeyGen course right now. I promise you. I'm going to set it up now and I'll give you guys my workflow. HeyGen.com. Pricing. Creator. $29 a month. And then soon I'll probably be going to the $99 once I've got it. And I'm also going to run the API. So the API is unlimited. You just pay what you use. And that way I can integrate it into Replit. Just hit a button and it will create the videos for all the courses based on the context. Yeah, time's money, you know the vibes. I love that, breaking them down in 1-minute videos, making it easier to feel like you're accomplishing something as you go through each step of the course. For sure, Sans. That's exactly the goal of it. What did he do here? Alright, let's just republish it and see where we come. And once that's republished, I'll be able to upload the new JSONs here. And then we got the new courses going. And then I'll get to work on the videos. Tomorrow, I'm going to integrate the whole API. This is basically Tommy AI, chat. So funny. AI is so funny, man. AI vibe coding is not just websites. It's video, it's photo, it's applications, it's robots. We're going to vibe code everything, chat. Within the next 9 months, that's the goal of me streaming every single day. My entire company has to be fully autonomous. And we'll be using OpenClaw for that. We'll be using Perplexity Computer for that. So many things going on. This one I'll check later. AK, can't check that right now. Got to stay in the motion of the ocean. Alright, are they all done? I just checked. Has existing JSONs. Plus full course. Exactly, do the recommended 4 steps and get me all 8 JSON formats so I can upload them one by one. Alright, let Opus, he figured it out. He figured it out that we already wrote the courses. That's incredible. Opus is on his shit. Okay, so Tommy AI is retired. We'll bring him back tomorrow. Let's play some music again in the background. You know the vibes. Let's just put these on until I can upload. Come on. Come on, update, baby. Robert, nice. Come on, chat, load it up for me. Oh, it's so amazing sometimes to just look at the agent and just wait for things to fall in place. Alright, this is updated. I should be able to go to Tommy, courses, and then we'll wait for the JSON. We'll import one, test it, and if that looks good, we'll import them all. Then I'm actually going to already create the HeyGen gig. We will. Okay. I just need Claude co-work to finish. Alright chat, I'm going to take a little stretcher for 2 minutes. Let me put mission control. Put you guys in the back seat so you get to take a look. Don't forget to hydrate. Don't forget to stretch yourself. It's scientifically proven that it's important to stand up every hour at least. I don't know what science, but I read it somewhere someday. Alright chat, be right back. Drop a like, drop a sub. It means a lot. Alright chat, I'm back. Let's get it. Lap 4, 3 hours in. He's still running the JSONs. Let him get that done slowly. You know the vibes chat. Sometimes you just gotta wait. AI tells you to wait, tells you to think about your concept, think about your idea, think about the promotion we're doing. Whoever's in the stream, if you do have Twitter, follow me on Twitter, engage with the Replit posts, it helps a lot. We're trying to get that #1 prize chat. We're not playing out here. And either way, we have some things for the community planned, but that 10k helps. Family Fire Gaming, that's cool. Alright, you good? You good, you good, and you good. Now let me import some JSONs, come on. Let me go in cam mode so you guys can put a face to the voice. What's up, chat? Let's let it run. There's not more we can do, and after we're gonna make the HeyGen course, and I'm actually gonna reach out to HeyGen if they want to do a partnership. That's a great platform. I'm sure they will be open to a partnership. Give me all the JSONs for all the courses, please. Alright, let's open this JSON. Show in folder. Course 01, let's put it on the desktop. Let's go here. And this is the Fiverr course. So let's just close this Fiverr course. Delete it for a second. Oh, we already have one enrolled. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. And I know it's easy, so it doesn't matter. But I'm just going to close this. I'm going to hit delete. Then I'm going to import the JSON. And I'm going to think about that in the next bug, that I make sure I can update existing courses. I just want to import it. Alright, how to Fiverr. Be sure to join in again, easy. And then normally now when you go to how to Fiverr, it's a featured one. I'm still not seeing the referral though. I might have to refresh this. Let me check something. How to Fiverr, yeah. Referrals. Alright, I added and updated a new course via JSON in the production area. It worked great. It's seeded into the courses. Only the referral card is not showing up on the front end course detail page. So please have that referral card show up there if it's filled in the course editor. Let's see if he understands me, chat. I'm just running it on power mode today. I've been up so many hours that it makes my life easier. Let's let him run some code optimization as well. It's 50% off, by the way, chat. If you run on power right now, you're going to save money and time. And it's 50% off and you get to use 4.7. I'm not sure if the $20 plan's got that. I think you need the... Alright, I think you need the $100 plan for that, but I'm not sure. Allow. What's up with him? Allow. 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 Come on, make him. Alright, let me just see if he shows it. Done, the dynamic course page. Okay, publish, republish. And let's see if it's really done, chat. Sometimes it says done, but you know the vibes. Come on, load it up so we can test it. Get them referral links going.
even cough off the bug when I couldn't smoke. I got myself a weed out when I need help.
7 parallel agents, chat. 7 agents getting the job done. Isn't that crazy? 7 agents at once, each doing a course. You can't make this shit up, chat. I still get butterflies when I see AI at work sometime, man. And I've been in AI 3 years now. Non-stop every single day, and I still get butterflies, chat. Actually, I will say, Tommy, courses, import. When importing a course or a challenge and it's already existing, it has the same title or same concept, then it should update the existing course and the existing challenge and not make me delete and overwrite it. Do you understand? Because I already have people enrolled into courses and challenges. Maybe even allow me a function to select a course that has to be overwritten when I upload the new JSON. That would make it maybe even more easy and more clear. And also make sure I can actually drag a JSON file into the box, because right now I can only click it and actually go and upload it via the uploader. Alright, publish is done. Let me see if he added that course tab. Nah, it's still not showing that badge, but that's no problem. I'll figure that out in a few. That's not the worst case. Alright, so now we'll be able to just upload the JSON without deleting and just update existing courses and challenges. That's good. We learn as we go, chat. Almost done, 7 courses, and then we'll do the HeyGen course. And then I'll log off for the day. Then it's been an incredible launch day. Let's put it that way. Just seeing the 20 subscribers and the people all around the world. It's just so cool to see. You clearly see who's waking up, when, where. Europe's still popping. I got visitors here. The ones that are popping are visitors, not signed in members. Asia sleeping. Alright, he's making all the courses for me here, literally one by one. That's amazing. I see him coming here in the local. He's getting the JSON override to build, chat. Once that's done, we can go ahead and move and add in courses very fast. JSON style. JSON or XML. I used to work a lot in XML, but I prefer JSON. Come on. 3 hours in chat. Whoever's new here, drop a like. Say hi in the chat. Don't be shy. That's the only way I get to know you guys. I'm trying to memorize up to 100 names. Alright, let's test it. Let's see if it's actually working. And what's he doing? Boom, all done. I see them all here. Incredible. Incredible. Nice. Alright, let him run and then we'll do them. Currently working on integrating mini agent into my website so kids can change the theme on the website in real time. Nice. What agent are you using for it? Well, my advice would be probably for that function I would use a lighter version of OpenAI. But you also have the Claude Agent SDK, only the API credits are pretty expensive, to be honest. Are you using this one? Opus. Nice, nice. But are you going to integrate it as onto your website with API, or are you using it as a let's say connector platform, or you're building it right into the platform using this Claude Cowork? Alright, so we got the 7 files. Come on, publish. Nice. I will be testing your platform. I'll probably test it tomorrow on stream. Nice. Nice. I'll be testing it. I've got some nephews and I'll give it to my family members. And I'd love to have you one time on stream if you're down for a video call. Talk about your project, talk about what you plan, and we're just a vibe code community, so who knows what comes out of it, you know? I love sharing ideas, concepts. Great. I'm down. I'm getting next week when you look. I've got a co-work planned with Hunter from High in 5. He was also in our winning group, I think. Yeah, he was in our group. And we're basically going to do this as private sessions where people can join in. But we're actually going to talk some business here because I've been looking at his application a very long time. From even before he was even any of us was linked for winning. That High in 5 felt like a winning app. So I would love to get you on the calendar. And if you want, I can send you my link and we can just schedule it. And then we can take it from there. I'm down to work towards the timing of you. Alright, let me send it. Are you on the Discord? Let me see if you're on the Discord. I'll send you a, give me a second. Let me open my calendar in my other browser, 1 minute. And then we click on it, copy the link. And then I'll send it to you on Discord. So let me find you. Let me find you. Can you confirm? Yeah, I see who you are. I'm going to send you a DM. Alright, and I'll add you as friend. That's my Google Calendar. If you schedule a call there, then I will put it on the board here. And then I will make sure I work towards your time. Next week, I've got a full calendar open. I'm finishing all my projects on Fiverr. I've only got 1 order in the pipeline. And then I'm going to be focusing in on Dollar Vibe Club and doing more stream stuff. So once you book that in, then I'll schedule you in. And it's an open session, but private. So any member of Dollar Vibe Club can join in and they can listen and learn. I think learning is probably the most important thing. So I got Hunter here next week. I can actually do Sunday as well. Alright, I see you already booked in after Hunter, so that's perfect. That's great. I'll put you straight away in the calendar. So now I'm going to go to Dollar Vibe Club, log in as admin, reload it. Oh, because I just refreshed the app. Log in as admin again. I'll go to the co-work community and then I'll set a new session and I'll call it during this co-work session we're gonna have Kelly, I believe, on from Spell Strike, and I'm excited to hear all about her app, how she came up with it and how she got it built in Replit. And it just goes to show that Replit is a solid tool. Anybody from any walk of life, any different industry, niche, skill set, if you've got a solid idea, you will be able to turn it into an app. I'm gonna follow my calendar, so don't mind this timing, Kelly. So this is on the 21st for me, and this is on Tuesday, and I'll do it at 2 a.m. and then when an hour we'll do it till 3 a.m. Asia, Discord, and we'll keep it small, 15 people. You will need to have Discord and joined in on our Discord, and sorry chat, I just got tired there. You will need to join our Discord, and you will need to be a Dollar Vibe Club member to access this private co-work session. Create session. Actually, I'll add in here. We'll also be talking all things marketing and what once a project is shipped. I'm passionate about digital storytelling, so would love to share my 2 cents. And then create the session. And then now whoever logs into the website and goes to community, you'll see next week we've got Hunter first, then we've got the Spell Strike, and that's going to be 2 fun build-a-thon stream actually Tuesday, so I'm down for that. Whenever you're looking, you just change your time. Basically, once you're onboarded, it will know your time automatic, and it will always show you the right time zone for you. But this way, at least time zones should be reflected. Because yeah, obviously we're trying to go international. We're already international. You can see it on the dots around the world. So yeah, that's just that part. Well, that is done. This is published. This is good. This is good. Let me go to the Dollar Vibe Club and add the courses. So I should be able to import a JSON now. And I will say the Claude. Let me see which here. Give me a second, chat. Okay, the second one is how to Replit for noobs. So I say how to Replit for noobs. And then I say import course. Incredible. The next one is how to Claude code for noobs. How to Claude code for noobs. Import. I'm gonna make sure that I can batch import soon. But for now, we just day one, we just launched it, you know the vibes. Number 4 is how to Claude co-work. Import it. Number 5 is how to build in public. That's a fun course to to learn if you want to get streaming. How to build in public, chat. Import it. Number 5 is how to AI, but I'm actually gonna delete this one. Delete that. I don't think this course is strong enough to be on it now compared to the others. And we will, how to build in public, we will put that on a main course. How to Fiverr, how to Replit. Oh, it added it in double here. That's not good. Alright, I'll figure that out, chat, but you see, as we go, there's always bugs. And we had how to Claude co-work. Alright, it did do the Claude one correctly. Let me refresh. Yeah, it did do the Claude one correctly. Let's try it. The next one is how to run sales like a noob. Alright, it made a second gig here as well. And then the last one is how to run web design. That's how my approach to web design, my 20 years of experience. Import. How to run web design for noobs. Delete this. Alright, they are all set up. People will have to re-enroll and I'll fix that bug as we go. Let me check the courses. Replit, Fiverr, streaming. Great, 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 great. Courses are set up, challenges are set up, and the community schedule is getting built. We've got 2 guests next week, and I will have a bunch more guests coming over the next 30 days. Very, very cool. Exciting shit. Alright, let's close off with our vibe coding stream. This one can go in standby. Put him in plan mode. Standby. And to think, chat, it all came from this. Came all from this brainstorm. Canvas. AKA the brain. And the courses are all being built in Obsidian. So if you're not using Obsidian and you're working with a lot of data, you should be. Every course gets generated from the streams that I make here. The questions you guys ask get turned into courses, chat. Nice, Spell Strike. I'll see you on our call for sure. Ethereum, good night. I'll see you soon. Tomorrow, I guess, for sure. Refill. Thank you. Thank you for being here, P. Get some rest, man. Alright, this is running. I'm about to log off, chat. Let me just run this. I'll put Claude code Opus 4 here. And then in a few moments I'm gonna log off the stream, chat. It's been an incredible stream today. 2 streams back to back and a promotional video in between. If you enjoyed the stream, for sure be sure to subscribe. I would love to see you here more. Be sure to like it and share at least with one person that wants to learn about AI, vibe coding or internet money. It's what we're going to be doing for the next 9 months non-stop. So I'm excited for the future, chat. Especially since today we got Opus 4.7. You ain't going to hear me complain for a week. I know what I'm going to be doing. Alright, chat. It was a great stream. Thank you everybody. All 20 of you that signed up to the platform, paid the $1 and support the vision. I'm very, very thankful for that. And I look forward to connecting with all of you. I look forward to learning about all your businesses or ideas that you want to launch. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. It doesn't matter what your background is. With vibe coding and AI, the playing field is the same for everyone. All you need to do is work and dedicate yourself to an idea. Trust me, chat, it's gonna pay off in 9 months. It's gonna be too late in 9 months because then tools will be evolved and regular people will start using it. But I'm telling you, this next 9 months to 2 years, we can capitalize on the opportunity. There's more than enough in the market. Don't sleep on it. I know Spell Strike isn't. I know she isn't. And I know the energy that she brings to the stream. I'm ready on Tuesday. Well, her Monday, my Tuesday. Okay, chat, you know what I say. Keep vibe coding. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.